The portable version of the SP-401S is designed for temporary and mobile airfield lighting applications. It allows quick deployment and easy relocation without the need for permanent installation or ground anchoring. This version is ideal for emergency operations, temporary runways, heliports, and training areas. Its design ensures full functionality while providing maximum flexibility and rapid setup in the field. The following tools are required to convert the lamp configuration from permanent to portable. You will need a multi-bit screwdriver, a ratchet, 7mm socket, a Torx T20 bit, and a PH1 bit. Review the table of recommended force to ensure the torque is set correctly. To disconnect the solar panel cable from the lighting unit, rotate the latch counterclockwise and carefully remove it from the power connector. To remove the lighting unit from the permanent mount, use a 4mm hex key to unscrew the 4 5x10 screws under the mounting plate. Lift the lighting unit from the mounting plate. To convert the permanent lamp to the portable version, it will be necessary to install the epoxide baseplate. To do this, place the lighting unit on its side. Position the epoxide baseplate and make sure it does not cover the emergency switch if one is installed on the lamp. Insert the 2 5x10 screws opposite each other, then tighten the remaining 5x10 screws. With a multi-bit screwdriver equipped with a PH1 bit, tighten the 5x10 screws and secure the 2 remaining ones. To convert the lamp from the permanent configuration to the portable version, the carrying handle must be mounted on the top section of the unit. To do this, remove the 6 5x20 screws from the mounting ring in the upper section using a power drill or a multi-bit screwdriver with an H4 bit. Whenever you open the mounting ring, you must replace the 2 gaskets found on top of and underneath the glass dome. Remove the glass dome from the unit and detach the gasket from it. Next, detach the gasket that was positioned beneath the glass dome. Install the new gaskets by placing one beneath the glass dome and the other on top of the dome, ensuring both are seated correctly. Then, place the glass dome back onto the gasket on the device. Next, place the carrying handle into the mounting ring, ensuring you observe the sticker markings. The color of each sticker corresponds to the light emitted from that particular side. Adjust the mounting ring so that the color indicator is aligned with the light source of the installed lamp, ensuring proper orientation during installation. The correct orientation requires the handle to be placed on the side of the device, ensuring it is positioned next to the antenna. Using a screwdriver equipped with an H4 bit, tighten the mounting ring together with the carrying handle in a star sequence pattern with 6 5x20 screws to ensure proper fastening. Now install the quick-release baseplate onto the lamp base positioned within the frame. Adjust the quick-release baseplate to the metal baseplate, ensuring that all mounting holes are aligned for smooth screw insertion. Next, insert 4 M4x7 screws into the holes, placing an M4 washer on each screw. While holding the screws from the top, install the M4 nuts with M4 washers from the underside onto the protruding screw ends. Then fully tighten them using a multi-bit screwdriver with a Torx T20 bit and a ratchet with a 7mm socket. Before inserting the lamp, unlock and open the safety latches. Carefully insert the lamp so that the rear part hooks onto the latches holding the lamp in place. Then, close the front safety latches to lock the lamp securely in place. To connect the solar panel, look for the power connector on the side of the lighting unit. When connecting the devices, locate the thickest pin and align pin number 4 with input port number 4, or position it so that the thickest pin faces the power connector cover. Insert the connector carefully until it is fully seated in the socket, then turn the latch clockwise to lock the power cord in place. To learn more about servicing the SP-401S lighting unit, refer to the SP-401S lighting unit maintenance manual.